Hi guys, today we are going to be reading the story. It is called William Becknell and the Santa Fe Trail. So again, we can look at our map here and we can get more information about it. But let's go ahead and start reading. William Becknell was a trader and trapper. He was born in Virginia in the late 1700s. As a young man, Becknell moved to Missouri in 1810. In Missouri, Becknell traded salt. His business wasn't very successful, so in the summer of 1821 he planned a trip west. Traveling on horseback, Becknell and his group hoped to trade horses and mules and trap animals. When the party started their trip, Spain owned New Mexico. The Spanish didn't allow traders for the United States to sell their goods there. As the party made its way, however, the Spanish lost control of New Mexico. Becknell heard this news and changed his plans. He headed straight to Santa Fe, which is right here. There he traded their goods for silver dollars. About a year later, in May 1822, Becknell and his wagons left Missouri once again. This time, Becknell followed a dangerous route. First, he followed the Arkansas River to what is today Dodge City, Kansas. Then he traveled southwest to Cimarron River. The party ran out of water and almost died, but Becknell pushed them on the river. Finally, they reached Santa Fe. They had blazed a new trail. Becknell's route became known as the Santa Fe Trail. In 1825, it was marked as the main route to the southwest. This route was important to the growth of the United States. Don't forget to read that as well, so you could either pause the video and keep reading, but since the story's over, let's go ahead and read it. What route did Becknell follow on his second trip to Santa Fe? Number the places where he stopped, and the numbers should show the order in which he reached them. So we could go ahead and do that. The Spanish did not allow traders. Let's see, Becknell heard. Okay. All right, let's see. There he traded goods about a year later. So they went to Missouri first. This time Becknell followed the dangerous route. First he followed the Arkansas River, and then he went to Dodge City, Kansas. Then he traveled down this river where they almost died, and finally he reached Santa Fe. All right, and that's how the Santa Fe Trail came to be. This question has two parts. Answer part A, then answer part B. Part A, what important event soon after Becknell sent off his trip to the west? So, when he set off to go west, it says when the party started their trip, Spain owned Mexico. The Spanish didn't allow traders from the United States to sell their goods. As the party made its way, however, the Spanish lost control of New Mexico. So they lost control of New Mexico, and that made him change his whole plans. So let's see. The Spanish lost their power in New Mexico. Underline the sentence in this paragraph that supports your choice in part A. Well, the Spanish lost control of New Mexico, so that made him change his plans. And that was a very important event because that changed everything for him. All right. Discuss with a partner Becknell's second trip to Santa Fe. Use sequence words to describe the events of the journey. So first, what happened, then, next, and last, what happened. All right. Describe Becknell's second trip to Santa Fe. Why is it an important historical event? Use the space provided on page 45 to write your answer. Now remember, the Santa Fe Trail did not exist until Becknell. So, all right. look at the last paragraph. What did Becknell's new trail help do? So send this to me on Dojo, and I will write back. All right, and be sure to check it and come back tomorrow so we can read the next story about Sacagawea. And I'll see you guys later.